Hey guys, this is me, Norris with Detail. You're going to be reviewing with me a 2007 Dodge Ram 1500. Interior was not horribly grimy. It just had a lot of dust, debris, and stains. It was pretty intense with the amount of light upkeep that was probably done before. They bought it this way from a customer. That wasn't my own, so there was a lot of just weird, almost like just weird stuff. Like they just worked a lot outside, like landscape, stuff like that, because the debris that was in the car wasn't typically what I normally used to in the car, especially in the wear in the areas it was at. Had dog here and there, not much. My guy was able to take out pretty much all of it, so the customer was not charging any of that. I do a pre-treatment. I do a pre-brush, basically exfoliating the fabrics with my drill brush attachment that I use on any surface that's fabric, whether it be the floor or the seats. And along with that, this is pretty much the final result. A lot of stains did come out, clean underneath everything. The very heavy stains that were like ink blocks, of course, did not budge. Clean around the bolts, all that, and they were very happy with the end result. They were super ecstatic about it. They wondered, what did I do? How did I get this out, that out? Walk them through everything I do. If my customers are better knowledgeable about how to take care of their own car, it only makes it easier for everyone, because then they know what to expect from the professional as well as what they expect from a non-professional. Otherwise, take care and subscribe. Bye.